Digital currencies and blockchain applications are making significant inroads into the healthcare industry, offering solutions that enhance security, transparency, and efficiency. Here's how these technologies are transforming the field of health. Secure and transparent medical records. Immutable patient records. Blockchain technology ensures that medical records are immutable and securely stored. Patients and healthcare providers can access accurate and tamper-proof records, improving trust and coordination of care. Interoperability. Blockchain facilitates seamless sharing of medical records across different healthcare systems while maintaining data integrity and patient privacy. Efficient and secure transactions. Automated billing and payments. Smart contracts can automate billing processes and payments for medical services. For example, insurance claims can be automatically processed and paid once the conditions specified in the smart contract are met. Reduced fraud. Blockchain's transparency and security features help in minimizing fraudulent activities such as false insurance claims and counterfeit drugs.